So we've got this little Volca Beats on the bench today. I plug the headphone input and you only get one side of the headphone working. So I don't know if it's going to be the socket or hopefully it might just be a crack solder. Who knows? We'll have to have a look. That was a long screw there, a bit different than all the others, so I thought I'd just put that one back in. But we got the socket out. Yeah, you don't need to do these ones here. I'll tighten them back up in a minute. So I don't know if I can pry this apart at all. Very hard to film this and try and put it back together. Might have to do that off camera. I can just try and pull these apart to try and make contact. And there's another one here on the other side that needs bending. I don't know if that's going to overdo it, but should make contact now. Okay, somehow I managed to get all that back in together. These two pins in the middle here, leave them attached to that bit, and then these two pins can slide out and you can try and bend them to try and make a better contact. In fact, that even looks like, don't think, I don't know if you can see that, I couldn't even see any silver there, so let's put that in and see what happens. Just before we put this in, you'll notice that these middle pins are closer to this bottom pin, and you can see on the circuit board that these two are closer to that one, so you know which way around it goes. Okay, obviously you can't hear that, but you have to trust me there, that actually works. Didn't even have to order a new one. Well, I'll keep you posted in the comments, see how long this lasts. I'm going to give this back to the owner. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see how long it lasts for. Epic. Catch you next time.